Igboamaka Arts and Entertainment, supported by Igbo Heritage, K Entertainment, PJ Construction, Good Shepherd Movement, and Ben TV presents Ubosi Igbo Day, Sunday 29th August 2010, featuring Tony One-Week, Ababana, Sarawiwa, Tony Bobo, Maduka Morocco, Obiajuru Osadebe, Wooden Leg, and Testimony Joe, David Jonah, Chinedu Manonam, Chuki Diamond, Adanta Dance, Egwu Ogaranya, Abayi Masquerade, DJ K, and many more. Venue, River of Life Center, 12 to 38 Hatcham Road, off Penham Street, Ilderton Road, London SE15 1TW. Time 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. Tickets £20 at outlets in London and online at igboamakatv.org and ibomedia.co.uk.